welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany and today I'm going to show you how to get these stickers off of your glasses so you can recycle and use them for other things. So here we have some candles that I'm about to clean on out, and then I'm gonna peel this right off the easy way. So let's get started.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is fill up your sink with hot water. And then I just let it sit in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I went ahead and peeled it straight off. It was super easy. All you really gotta do is clean it on out and go ahead and dry it off. And then you're ready to go.
All right, guys, so that's it. It's super simple. Now you can reuse your glasses however you want. I'm gonna make some potpourri with this one, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this one yet. I don't know, but it's gonna be cute. So I do want to give y'all an example. Just in case y'all was like, that was too easy to get off, you got an easy sticker. No, I actually use this method for a whole bunch of different glass jars. I use this for a spaghetti I use, and when it's done, I reuse it, and I put my quinoa in it. I have some dates in the other one in my cabinet. And so it's just a really good way to recycle and use it for different things. Decorating, whatever it is, your food, to propagate a plant, to put your green onions in, whatever you want to do. There's so many endless possibilities. I mean, instead of just buying decor at Target, which I love to do, you can make decor with your own glasses that you use all the time. So, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you later. And please give this a like, because come on, I'm giving y'all the tips, and subscribe for more holistic, healthy, wonderful living here on this channel. I love you guys so much. I really do. I really do. I really do. Y'all, I really need to learn how to twerk. All right, I'm excited. Okay, bye.